gun going out here.
We got shit on the fly.
The old West 1600.
Smelling lovely. Mowing. Wonderful job it is doing. However, for the size of this field, a front mower and butterflies on the rear would be quite nice.
Yeah. It's dragging it.
Right, so time for oil change. You get two nice clean buckets. You can see that. Your inch, 3/4 inch drive.
You'd be surprised, quite a bit of oil comes out of these things. So if you're ever attempting this, make sure you've got two buckets. Got the tractor red hot, we've been mowing this morning.
Now, do I hold the camera running for the funny bit of Darren changing over buckets?
Clean your sump plug up and leave that drain while we change the filter.
If you steer and lock to make this side easier, you just end up making the other side harder. Right, just going to pull the oil filter off now. Or attempt to. It's a little bit awkward in here.
Oh, she's gone like a drink.
You will notice the gayness of all the pink rags that seem to be going on.
Yeah, Darren's had a new wardrobe.
That is genuinely a coincidence. I don't know how that's happened, where we pulled 3 rags out and they're all bright pink. Like I said, you will get a bit of a mess when it comes off. Just clean out all the pre-filters on the front here. You have these on most John Deeres. They're like these screens that go in front of the radiators. One in front of the AC condenser there as well. You just literally pull them out, wipe them off, and then saves the spending hours digging stuff out the radiator. It's ideal. Filters in.
Got the good stuff going in.
Difference, of course.
Okay, we've got Darren pouring on the go here.
What are you trying
This
to
only
say?
ends up in one way. Disaster and a spillage.
No, should be right.
Doesn't mean it'll be on this pour, but sometime
on the
filling
one
the tractor there'll be some on the floor.
Hopefully it'll be the one just after you press the stop button on that, can you?
Yeah.